This is the definitive guide to solving auto captions not working and broken subtitles errors. After experiencing this frustrating issue myself and trying numerous approaches, I discovered several reliable methods that successfully resolve auto captions not working and broken subtitles errors. And I'm sharing them all with you now. The first approach focuses on ensuring your digital environment is optimal, addressing stable internet connections, verifying YouTube's operational status, and clearing out any temporary data that might interfere. It also involves checking your browser's integrity by disabling conflicting extensions and resetting its configuration. The second set of solutions looks at the video file itself, ensuring its structure is sound and that it's compatible with YouTube's processing. This might involve re-uploading or converting the file to a more suitable format and testing across different devices. Thirdly, we delve into the specific YouTube creator settings, making sure auto captioning is active, language preferences are precise, and all video details are accurately updated for proper processing. Finally, a system-wide reset and update, including restarting your computer and checking for software conflicts, can often clear underlying issues, preventing captions from functioning correctly. These steps cover the core reasons why your auto captions might not be working and why subtitles are broken.